Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today we're making chicken tikka masala with 1 kg of boneless chicken thighs. I'm cutting them into bite-sized pieces, then adding 4 tablespoons of hung curd or thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am going to apply it to my chicken. To this I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric plus black pepper and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add less if you want. If you have some leftover tandoori chicken or chicken tikka masala from the previous day, you can directly just make the gravy part of it. Also 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and again mix. You can let it sit for about 1 hour or overnight in the refrigerator. Now I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala. You don't want to add this right in the beginning because sometimes it does lose its strong pungent flavor and smell. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have kasuri methi, you can leave it out, but it does give a special taste. Now this is a fish basket. Chicken tikka masala is cooked with chicken tikka, and what I'm doing here is making chicken tikka. You can do this in the oven or on a barbecue, or you can even do it on a pan. This wouldn't take more than about 4 minutes on each side. While moving this, we are also going to put it in the gravy and it will cook a little bit, so don't fret if it is not completely cooked. All you want is to get that charred flavor. This can be served as chicken tikka with some cream and chaat masala. And there were a few pieces which weren't cooked properly, so I put them in the basket itself on the gas and did this. So here I have a cast iron pan to which I've added 3 tablespoons of oil plus butter, sliced onions, bay leaf, 4 cardamoms. I'm also putting tomato puree, for which I have removed the seeds and the skin, and I pressure cook this and I store this in the freezer. So this is made from about 1 kg of tomatoes. So added a handful of cashews. I use cashew pieces. You don't have to use the premium whole cashews for this. So chicken tikka masala and butter chicken, most of the gravy ingredients are similar, but in butter chicken you don't use as much onions. I have a wonderful recipe. Please check that out. I'm going to link it in the description as well as on the screen. And the flavors of chicken tikka masala are supposed to be a little more complex than butter chicken, but they are very similar and they are both wonderful dishes for children to eat because they are mild. And then I'm going to blend this to a masala. Now is the time to actually put this together. So again, I have a mixture of butter and oil, to which I've added finely chopped onions, about 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika for that red color, half a teaspoon of turmeric. You can leave this out. I've also added a blend of garam masala and chili powder, a little bit of ginger garlic paste. If you think that your masala may get burnt, I just added a tablespoon of our blended masala just to cool the pan down. Then I added my chicken, and now I'm adding the rest of the masala and water. We're going to let this cook together so that all the flavors blend together. The smokiness from the chicken comes into the gravy. And then finally butter and cream and a little bit of kasuri methi. You want to warm it up in your hands and then sprinkle it on top. And cream is optional, butter is kind of not optional. You can even add some water. I didn't want to put too much tomatoes or onions and sort of increase the carb count, but this would be made with more of that masala, so you can even double the masala. And there is a secret. I have also added some sugar-free tomato ketchup, which is what will sort of bring out all the right flavors and make this just perfect. Serve it with cream again. I'm sure you're going to like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, there's a like button which you should click, and share the channel with your friends and family.